Hey guys, it's Itty Ray. You know your girl came to slay. Today I'm just gonna be doing a initial review on this wig that I got from Elva Hair. It's 18 inches. It's really soft, and I think it's about like it's either 130 or 150 density. The price for this particular wig was $144.84, and it comes in like this natural brown color. Like, this is all the hair. Like, this is all the hair it comes with, so it's not really thick, but if you're going for more of a natural look, I guess that'll work. The back of the hair actually is not like wefts. It's like, I don't know how to explain it. It's like you can part it and you can't see any track, so that's really good. But other than that, the hair is really shiny, and basically what I'm going to be showing you guys today is how I went from this to this. And I used Ghostbond for the first time, and I guess I like it. It's kind of better than using the Got To Be glue, which I normally use, but I went and bought the Ghostbond off Amazon, and it was only like $20, and I guess it's worth it. So we'll see how long it stays on. Besides the fact that I work out and stuff, we're gonna see how long this install is going to last for. And so if you guys would like to see how I install this wig using Ghostbond, then continue to watch. See you guys later.
YSL clutch bag, boss niggas love that my weave real long. Do my squats so that ass fat. Love my attitude, so he call me Lil Brat. Brat, he love me long time, cause it's cash, yeah, I match that. Never took a L, lesson learned, and I bounce back. Tripping off a nigga, man, for what? I just fall back. I don't have the time to be